What if you do not qualify for the PMP exam? What are your options? Hello, I am Daud, and in this video, I'll discuss the steps you can take if you do not qualify for the PMP exam. These steps will ultimately lead you to the PMP certification. So, there can be 3 reasons that you may not qualify for the PMP exam. First reason, you do not have a high school diploma. The only solution in this case is to get the high school diploma. Second reason, you have experience of managing and leading projects, but are a little short of the required experience. Now in this case, say you are short of 1 year of experience. If you are managing and leading a project at this time or will be doing that soon, then you can wait for a year and complete your experience requirement. I will mention the reason at the end of the video why I say that. Now, while you complete your experience, you can start the PMP exam prep study. However, if you think that lack of any project management certification is a hindrance in securing the position of managing a project, then you can go with the option I am going to present for the third reason. Okay, so now the third reason. You have no experience of managing and leading a project. Zilch, none at all. If you are interested in project management career and desire PMP certification in the future, then you can begin with going for the CAPM certification. CAPM stands for Certified Associate in Project Management. There are only 2 requirements to be eligible for CAPM exam. You need a high school diploma and 23 hours of formal training in project management. The CAPM exam is based on the PMBOK guide, and you will have to answer 150 questions and you will have 3 hours to do that. Now, there are several benefits of acquiring CAPM certification. It shows that you have adopted project management as your profession and that you are serious about building your skills in this field. CAPM is an excellent choice for those who are either starting their career or planning to move to project management. There is though one scenario where CAPM may not be a good choice. If you qualify for the PMP exam, you should go for PMP. Don't think about CAPM. Imagine if you see 2 resumes, one with a CAPM and one with a PMP. Guess which candidate you will say is presented as better qualified. This is why I said earlier that if you are short of only a year of experience, then wait and go for PMP. As always, if you have any question, get in touch with me.